So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And here I'm back with basically a major new update of the Arcade Insider email. So in previous month, many of you were asking about I haven't received the August Insider email. Will I get the September email also? And for the people who are asking I haven't received the September email, what we have to do? So first of all, if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's come back to the main topic. So basically, first of all, you need to understand what is Arcade Insider email call. So basically, it is an email which contains all your progress report of the Arcade. So here, just like your basically, let me show you a sample here. So this is our Arcade Insider email. I will show you the live mail also. First of all, let me open this. So basically here two emails are being sent. One is for Arcade Facilitator participants and another one is for the normal Arcade participants. So basically if you are Arcade Facilitator program participants, you must have received this basically this progress report. Okay, it contains all the details regarding your milestones, how many skill badges have you done, how many lab free courses you have done, and how many basically how many trivia games, lab free courses, skill badges you have done, and which milestone you have reached. But Arcade Insider email is totally different. Here, basically, let me show you that directly the mail also. Here, basically, it contains all the points from the starting till the end. So basically, you must be knowing that the Arcade program started from the July itself and will be ending in December. And many of you are having some basic confusions that we'll cover later on. First of all, let me tell you about the Arcade Insider. So here is the Arcade Insider email you can see. Here is the progress you can see it. You have earned 20 points. This is an example. Basically, this is my insider email. So you have earned 20 points so far, and every point is a proof of your cloud powers. You can ignore this. So basically, here you need to take care. Now, many of you are asking that I have earned 40 points, I have earned 50 points, I have reached 75 points, and I have even reached at least, let's say, an example, 25 points. But here it's showing lesser points which I have earned. So you need to take care of this note option. Here you can see this total point reflects from the progress between 7th of July and 31st of August 2025. So basically these 20 points were earned around up to 31st of August. So if you have done any games from September, suppose 1st of September or 2nd of September or 3rd of September, it won't be reflected. It will be reflected in the next insider email which you will be receiving in mostly in October. Okay, mostly in October. So do not worry about it. Your points are safe. This contains old progress up to 7th of July from 7th of July till 31st of July. Sorry, 31st of August. And for the upcoming games which you have done in September, basically all the skill badges and all the arcade games you have done will be added in the basically next month on October month. Okay. Now many of you are asking that we have completed some bonus points also and earned in the arcade facilitator program. It is not reflecting over here. So you need to understand that once the Arcade Facilitator program ends, basically on 6th of October, after that only the points will be reflected over here. They will merge it. They will either merge it in October or November, or they will directly basically add in the end, in the December when the price counter opens. Previously they merged it earlier. So I'll make a video. Do not worry. You don't have to worry about it. So just stay tuned and keep earning more badges and skill badges. So this is about the Arcade Insider email. Basically, Arcade Insider email contains all the points from July itself. If you have completed any game in July and August, it will be listed over here. And if you have completed any games in September, wait for the next Insider email. Now, many of you are asking that I haven't received the Arcade Insider email yet, and I have started in September itself. So you need to do one more thing here in the Arcade homepage. I'll link the page in the description. You can check it out. Just click on subscribe here, and basically here you have to just enter your email. Okay, you have to enter the email which is linked to your Qwiklabs Cloud Skills Boost account with which you do the labs. You have to just enter the email and just click on next and just submit it. Once you are submitted, you are eligible for this insider email. And to confirm whether you are subscribed to the Arcade Insider or not, you can just check your mail. A same copy of this form response. Basically, what you have filled will be sent to your email. You can check your spam box also. So that's how you have subscribed to the Arcade. Now here is the complete playlist for your guidance. Now here, how to reach the legend tier, how you can reach the legend tier is the video, and how to reach the legend tier without the arcade facilitator program. If you are playing as a normal player, you can watch this video. Now one more important thing is here, that if you want to complete the pre-assessment skill badges, basically here, by completing one lap you get entire skill badge. You can watch this video also. Now here, let's come to the main topic. Okay, main topic is here. I posted a video today only. Here you can see that basically the program will be ending soon. What does it mean? That the archive facilitator is ending on 6th of October. So for being eligible for the bonus point, whatever bonus point you are targeting, 25, 8 or 12, 25, 8 or basically whatever it is, you can see it in the point system in the syllabus of the arcade facilitator program. You can just complete that many, basically that many skill badges, lab free courses, and all the skill badges, lab free courses and arcade games which are mentioned over there. So for that also I have made a master sheet. Let me show you the master sheet over here. So here is the master sheet. You can see 60 plus skill badges are here, pre-assessment skill badges are here, and lab free courses and arcade monthly games are here. Okay. So in pre-assessment skill badges, you can see all these labs are here. Just by completing one lab in this course, you'll be getting the entire badge. Basically, here it means by doing 22 labs, you get 22 skill badges. So it will be easier for reaching the ultimate milestone. So you can just complete it over here. Now here another thing is that for once you completed all the pre-assessment skill badges, reach the skill badge section. And here all the resources are here just next to the solution playlist. Similarly, here also is the, wait a minute. Yes, monthly games are here. You have to just see it. Here are the monthly games. Let me show you. Let me show you over here. Here's the arcade homepage. Here you can clearly see all games are listed over here, and try to complete as many as you can, because after the arcade facilitator ends, it will become little bit difficult for you to reach the top tier. Now here is the basic details regarding the solution. Now most of you have confusion regarding Lafri courses. Many are first following the random calculators and they are showing Lafri courses. These Lafri courses does not contain any points. Okay, if you complete this, you won't be getting any points. Only for the skill badges, pre-assessment skill badges and monthly games you are getting points. So complete those only if you are not a participant of the arcade facilitator program. If you are facilitator program participant, then complete the lab free courses. All these four things you have to complete. But if you are not, leave this, because here you are not getting any points. So this is the main theme I wanted to share. If you like the video, do like it and subscribe to the channel. If you have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.